In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo on Asana. Whether you're working on a project solo or collaborating with a team, Asana is a dynamic platform that helps you keep track of tasks and progress. However, it's quite common to make changes you might want to reverse later. Maybe you moved a task mistakenly or marked it complete when it shouldn't be. No worries. Today you'll learn two simple methods to undo actions in Asana, ensuring that you can easily rectify any unintended changes. Now, let's dive into the first and arguably the most efficient way of undoing actions, the keyboard shortcut. This method is particularly handy if you want to make quick fixes without navigating through menus. The magic combination is pressing Ctrl and Z simultaneously if you're working on a Windows computer. For those of you on a Mac, you'll want to press CMD and Z instead. These shortcuts are almost universal across various applications to undo recent changes, making them a staple for anyone who works on a computer. They will promptly reverse your last action, whether that's moving a task, marking it complete, or editing text within your task's description or details. But what if you just completed, deleted, or moved a task and missed using the keyboard shortcut? That's where the second method comes in. Asana often displays an undo option at the bottom of the screen right after such actions. You'll need to keep an eye on this because it appears only briefly, usually just for a few seconds. Simply click on undo before it disappears and your last action will be reversed, restoring your task or status to its previous state. This can be particularly useful when you're in a hurry and can't quite remember the keyboard shortcut, or if you prefer a more visual method. Remember, the key to mastering Asana is practice. The more you navigate through the platform, the more natural these actions will become. Keep these undo methods in mind, as they can save you a lot of stress and time. With these two straightforward techniques, you can go back to focusing on what really matters, getting things done efficiently and correctly. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll feel more confident fixing mishaps in your Asana projects from now on. Thanks for watching.